Hello, my name is Joe Brown, aka Black Feniks, the owner and founder of HogOn Welding LLC, where your imagination is your limitation. We believe in turning a trade into a business. We also believe in educating our young youth and teaching them a trade, showing them how to make products over talent. And we specialize in building products for our clients. Different clients come in and they call us to do different fabrications. We also build our own products. We have welding skids, we have staircases, we have shooting targets, we have curb signs, and we also have shipping container conversions. So we do these things to help the independent entrepreneur gain their independence. So a lot of our work and a lot of our fabrication is for the independent owner, is for the person who's actually trying to be independent. So for those who want to be a part of our programs, those who want to get some of our gear, our clothing is on Amazon Prime. You can look up all of our gear if you're looking for things like that. And also on our website, you can go to www.HogOnWelding.com and you can check out some of our merch. We believe in changing things for our community. HogOn.